Hello and welcome. I'm Olivia with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today I am on a 19-foot Crownline from 2008. Now this is a 360-degree virtual tour, so you do not have to look at me the whole time. Simply just use your hand or mouse to scroll up, down, left, right, even zoom in and out during the play. I'm going to point out some beautiful features about this boat. It's only 19 feet, but there's tons of seating room with your aft bench here, nice sun lounger, and this does fold up and you can relax up like that, and you also gives you some walkway space to your swim platform or your swim ladder back there. So if you have wakeboarders going or tubers, you can get back there nice and easily and go for a swim. Speaking about wakeboarders, this Crownline comes with a custom wakeboard tower up here, which is absolutely gorgeous. And with that tower, if you wanted to add some shade, the bimini also opens up a bit, so you can have some shade if you need that. And here at the helm, got two captain and co-captain seats. There's also swivel, so you can turn them around, look aft or look forward. And at the helm, you've got your controls, beautiful Crownline steering wheel, and all your gauges showing you your temperature, fuel, RPM, miles per hour. Everything's right there, nice and laid out. Also got a Sony sound system with your JBL speakers, so great sound system to be playing all the tunes while you're cruising. As we go forward, I'm just going to move the camera forward a little bit so you guys can see the bow seating. So you've got excellent bow seating up there for some people to sit, and a little anchor locker up forward. Also to mention that all the carpet and the vinyl on the seats are in excellent condition. This boat is almost like showroom. For a 2008, it's beautiful. I'm not going to take you down below today, but it does come with a custom Crownline trailer that's sitting on nice blue color, so it matches the boat. And those are on. There's photos of that in the listing. So if you wanted to take a deeper look at this boat, please explore all the inventory and photos. And if you'd like to set up a private showing on board, please contact me, Olivia, with Vancouver Yacht Sales. Thank you.